When I saw the news about Somalia literally 5 years ago, I was not aware before. What if we could get a flight there full of food? And I googled online, flight to Somalia, and I realized the only airline was Turkish Airlines. It all came together very spontaneously.
We can help create the change. We can help be the change.
Right now we have an airplane cargo that is empty and we have space for 60 tons of food. So we need to buy this food and we need your help. We've proven with that first step how powerful we can be when we all unite together. We are doing everything from the heart, from such a pure place where we just genuinely want to help.